Hi and welcome to Betskid TV with your host Nico Müller, number 33, Marvin Waldvogel, number 75. We are here in Amsterdam, far away from the action because of the loud music playing the whole time. Kind of annoying, but we played too. How has the day been, Nico?
The day has been pretty okay for us. We had the first game against Rebel Ultimate from Ireland, I think, and we were able to beat them 15-5. And then had a game against an opponent we play really often in the last few years, Fab from Bern, and we managed to beat them with 2 points. I think 14-12 was the final score. And in the last game we played Munich, and we were able to beat them 15-9. And now we are looking forward to tomorrow. And we don't know yet who are we playing, but we will see, and we will show you some action from tomorrow.
And the cracks begin to show. Begin to show.
Hi, Betskid TV. We are here on Sunday morning at the Windmill Windup in Amsterdam. Unfortunately, we weren't able to do a show last night because we didn't have much time after our game. We played until 8:15, and with the cool down and stuff, we didn't have much time because the meal afterwards took a long time. What happened last night, Marvin?
Thanks, Nico. Yeah, we ran through Swiss draw and quarters pretty good, and then we sadly lost against Heidelberg, our opponents from Germany. So we are kind of sad, kind of disappointed, so don't be mad at us for not smiling now. Maybe we will smile after the next game against Free Speed.
Yo, Betskid TV here at Friday night in Windmill Windup in Amsterdam. I'm here with the Tooting Tigers Bowling Club, and you can see they have a pretty nice equipment. That's why we are in our equipment talk, not only with one guy but the whole team here. Now just explain me why it's important to have equipment like that.
It's very important because we're not only here to represent our team, but we're representing the whole Tooting Lawn Bowling Association of the UK and Ireland. So not only do we have to look good when we play Ultimate, but we have to represent, our roots very well in the evening as well. So we have to look dapper.
Thank you. Thanks, and have a great night.
Thank you.
Hi, here we are again, this time with good news. We managed to beat Free Speed. We are quite happy for finding our game again. So we end up third place, not the score that we want to achieve, but we managed to beat Free Speed again, second time this tournament, so we are quite happy. Now we are getting back to work, getting back to practice. What's up in the next weeks, Nico?
Yeah, thanks Marvin. The next weeks are pretty packed for us. We play one relegation tournament next week and have another training day and another relegation tournament in July. And we play a preparation tournament right before Worlds with one Australian team, 2 Swiss teams. I think Heidi's are there. That's going to be a big challenge for us. So stay tuned and you will see some more shows. And now we're going back home.
Hi, here we are with the winner of the Bad Skid competition. He will introduce himself, and his wish was to interview us. So he will do it in Schweizerdeutsch. Nico will translate it for you in English and I will answer the questions. So I give it to you, Dennis.
Hallo, ich bin der Dennis Hotz, Nummer 91, gespielt bei Sollenberg. Jetzt komme ich zu meiner ersten Frage, Nico. Wie schafft ihr das? Ihr spielt mega gutes Ultimate auf hohem Level und macht da noch so Lotterien und Interviews. Wie schafft ihr das alles?
Yeah, Marvin, the question was how do we manage to play and do all the bad skid stuff and lottery and playing all together, especially in the tournament?
Yeah, thank you for the question. Sometimes it's really hard for us to do the nutrition and the interviews and the stuff going on. So in London it's a very full schedule, for example. Then we have to get lunch and go big layout block in the women's final. So we're enjoying it, but sometimes it's tough, yeah. Next question, please.
Alles klar, die nächste Frage betrifft jetzt das Turnier hier am schönen Windmill. Wie sind ihr da mit eurer Platzierung zufrieden, Nico? Und was habt ihr euch so vorgenommen für da?
Marvin, the next question was regarding the Windmill Windup. How do we like our placement and how the tournament was going? Just give you a short intro of what happened.
Yeah, the placement is not that what we wanted, that's for sure, but I think we come along good as a team. We got better, you learn if you lose more than you win, so we are pretty satisfied with this tournament, with how everything worked out. And do we have another question? Hast du noch eine Frage?
Noch eine letzte Frage. Und zwar finde ich super mega lässig, dass ihr da immer so Lotterien macht und so Scheiben signiert und Caps verschenkt und so Sachen. Und ich wollte fragen, macht ihr nochmal so etwas?
Yeah, Marvin, Dennis likes the lotteries and stuff what we are doing, and he wants to know if we are doing something like that again.
Yeah, we hope so, that we can do something again. For this we need maybe sponsors like our big gear sponsor Lookfly or something else. Get horizontal. See you soon. Ciao.